How to make news videos for YouTube with AI. In this video, we're going to be talking about YouTube videos and how you can make news videos using AI for your YouTube channel. Okay, we're going to be talking about it in great depth and detail. And the platform that we're using in this case is Invideo AI. Now, Invideo AI is a platform that is generally free, but if you want the full suite of features, you are going to need the Plus plan. And if you want the Plus plan for yourself, do make sure to click the link in the description below because that will lead you straight to the Plus plan. So do make sure to avail this opportunity right now. It is limited time. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, once you have checked the link in the description below and created an account, you're going to come to this section over here. Okay. Now, over here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go over here where it says create AI videos, start from scratch. Okay, you're going to click on that, and down here it says workflows and plugins. So we're going to click on explore all, and we're going to click on news videos. So once you click on news video, here it says give me a news that you want me to make a video about. So to get a good prompt for the news, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a chatbot called ChatGPT. Obviously, most of you already know what this is by now. So give me news that you want to make about, that you want me to make a video about. Let's go ahead and give it some news regarding, let's say, write a text to video prompt about, let's say, news of, let's say, let's go with about summarized breaking news of last month. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and write that. And here it says to create a dynamic, visually engaging video summarizing the top breaking news stories from the past month. Start with a bold introduction this month in breaking news, followed by brief, easy to digest highlights of key events, including a mix of headline across various topics, global politics, major economic shifts, natural disasters, technological breakthroughs, and entertainment news. For each story, use short, impactful captions, relevant footage or graphics, and emphasize the most important points with eye-catching transitions and animations. So it really went in with the description. Like, I like the description, it's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to come here and paste it. Now, once we've done that, here it says search the news and also check optional Wikipedia link or something like that. So you can pretty much go ahead and add a Wikipedia link so it can gain more knowledge about some specific news you want to go with. But we're going with the summary of breaking news of the last month, so there's not any specific Wikipedia link to it. So I'm not going to be providing any link. Now, the background music, obviously it's news, so let's go ahead with upbeat and thrilling, okay? So once we've done that, here it asks us our settings. So do you want a male voice, a female voice, or your own voice? I'm gonna go with the male voice. Any voice, clear, let's go with a clear American voice, okay? Then we have the narrator. You can change the narrators if you want to. I'm gonna go with speaker 5 for now. Then we have the subtitle settings. So you can actually add effects into your subtitle if you want to. Okay, that is doable. So let's say I'm gonna go with add karaoke style, or let's add classic Hermosi subtitle. Okay, that looks cool. Then use iStock as needed. Use YouTube audio library only. And once we've done that, we're gonna click on continue. So once you have clicked on continue from here, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to go ahead and click on generate a video. Now, once you have clicked on generate a video, as you can see, it goes into the analyzing. It, takes you through the loading. Shouldn't take you a lot of time, but simply give it a little, give it a few seconds to load in. As you can see, it also summarizes news from all these local, websites and channels and, stuff like that. So it's, gathering stuff from Fox, it's gathering stuff from Euronews. So let's just wait for it to summarize all these blocks. And once everything is summarized, it's going to ask you a basic prompt after this, okay? And that basic prompt is going to be it asking you if, the, audience and feel. So here we have it. So, what kind of audience do you want to watch this? News enthusiasts, general public, or students? So, let's go ahead with news enthusiast, or let's go with general public. Okay, then we have a look and feel. Look and feel, let's go with dramatic. And the platform, we're going to go with YouTube because obviously we're creating news for YouTube. So, I'm going to stay on YouTube and click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, it goes into the video generation. Now, obviously, we've asked a summary of the recent breaking newses. So, obviously, it's going to take a little time to export. Okay, it isn't going to export immediately because it is a pretty long video. So, once that is, pretty much done exporting, what you can do from there on out is pretty much go ahead and do some post editing if you want to, because that is doable, by the way. You can go ahead and edit in post. You can edit individual components that they have in the video. You can edit individual elements that they have in the video and work your way around with it. Okay. It's pretty simple, it's pretty fun, and it's a pretty cool thing to have in your repertoire. So once this video is done exporting, let's see what it looks like. So here we have it. Our video is good to go and exported. So let's go ahead and check it out and see if it is up to par.
I will never forget October 2024. Here's why. In the US, early voters in Arkansas braved the polls while showing the capture of a stolen vehicle in New Haven. Plus, a frost advisory hit the shoreline, signaling the season's change. Globally, Spain faced.
So we can see it's a pretty decent video, okay? It's a pretty decent YouTube video that we can work along with. And, I like what it has done. You can make it better by, generating a new prompt like change subtitle outline color to midnight blue, change current stock to a video drone shot of a forest, or you can even edit the individual components in this video as you go on. But yeah, that's a general idea on how you can use Invideo. And if you want to use this incredible platform for yourself, do make sure to go ahead and click the link in the description below to opt yourself out for this platform. Okay. So yeah, generally that's the main idea for this video. So if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And do make sure to share this video around with other people because that truly helps me out a lot. But yeah, generally that's all there is for this video. So if you enjoyed watching, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.